Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to talk about some online free courses that you need to take advantage of today so you can start learning. There are tons of incredible learning opportunities out there that doesn't even cost you a dime. Whether you're looking to upskill your career, explore a new hobby, or simply feed your curiosity, there is a course for you. Let's talk about why these courses are so great. First, they are flexible. You can learn at your own pace on your own schedule. Imagine being able to learn a new skill or subject without the constraints of a fixed schedule. No more rushing to catch a lecture or stressing about fitting classes into your already busy day. Second, they are accessible. It's a level playing field for everyone, breaking barriers that might otherwise hinder your educational pursuits. This inclusivity opens up a world of possibilities and allowing individuals from diverse backgrounds to engage and thrive in the realm of online learning. And you don't even need any special qualifications or prior knowledge to get started. And finally, the third one is that they are affordable, of course free. The fact that these courses are free actually means that you can acquire the knowledge without burning a hole in your pocket. No tuition fees, no expensive textbooks, and just a wealth of information waiting for you to grab and apply. Simple, right? Where do you actually find these amazing courses? There are a few great platforms out there. Some popular options include Coursera, and Coursera offers courses from top universities and companies like Yale, Google, and IBM. Udemy features a wide variety of courses on almost any topic imaginable. edX, similar to Coursera, edX offers courses from prestigious institutions like MIT and Harvard. Khan Academy, a non-profit organization providing free high-quality educational resources. And Skillshare, more focused on creative skills like animation, design, and photography. Also, I won't forget Google Skillshop. It offers courses on digital marketing and the rest of them. To get you started, here are a few great recommendations across different categories. For the tech lovers, say hi! Hi! Python Fundamentals on Coursera. This is the first one. And the second one will be Introduction to HTML and CSS on Udacity. The third one is the Fundamentals of Digital Marketing by Google. And for personal development lovers, Conquering the Fear of Public Speaking on Udemy, Communication Skills, Persuasion, and Motivation on Allison, Learning to Learn by McMaster University and the University of California, San Diego on Coursera. Did I pronounce that well? San Diego. For creative minds, you need to check out Graphic Design course by HubSpot Academy on Skillshare, Building Your Screenplay by the University of Cambridge on edX. Now, the description of this one says, learn to strengthen your skills as a screenwriter while diversifying your knowledge and understanding of the demands of global film and TV production. Well, this course started on the 4th of March 2024, so you need to really hurry. The next one is Digital Painting for Beginners on Skillshare. Now, I added all the links to these courses in the description, so go check it out. Remember that this is just a small sample of all those free courses. There are countless other free courses available, so explore different platforms, find something that interests you, and start learning today. You can check out some free other courses on Skillshare. Google Skillshop is a very interesting one. edX, Coursera, and the rest of them. Also, Udemy, I think Udemy has some free courses as well. You can check them out and see the ones that really interest you so you can start learning today. I love personal development a lot, so that's why I'm encouraging you. And we are all in this whole thing together. So let's make it a collective experience. And I hope this video inspired you to check out some free courses online. And don't forget to leave a comment below with any course recommendation you have and let me know what you're learning about currently. If you are, if you're not, run and go learn something very important, because it's going to help you to grow physically, intellectually, financially, and otherwise. But before you go, remember to hit that like and subscribe button for more educational content. Share this video with friends who are hungry for knowledge. Don't just keep it to yourself. You need to share to a lot of other people. Now the ball is in your court. What are you waiting for? The first step to learning is taking action. So hurry and click any of the links in the description and check out some courses that you would love to explore. Have a wonderful day and see you some other time. Bye.